Once upon a time, in the middle of the abundant Andaman Sea, there was a group of Morgan sailing the sea and lived nomadic lives on floating houses which they called gabang. The boat was their lives, and the sea was their souls. They lived in sufficiency and well coexisted in harmony with nature. Only in the monsoon seasons they would shield themselves on the island from heavy storms. Morgan and the sea lived happily together for a long, long time. One morning, a Morgan, Baya, was sailing as usual. He felt the differences. The wind and the waves were uncommonly calm. Suddenly, the boat was dragged lower and lower, almost reaching the ground as the height of the sea quickly decreases. The black clouds covered the sky. All birds disappeared, as well as fish and other sea livings. Baya felt like he was all alone in the cosmic ocean. Baya thought it was really strange. Suddenly, he heard the rolling sound from the seabed. He tried to look for the source of that voice, and that was when he saw a shadow of a giant fish. Baya remembered straight away. It was the pink dolphin he once dreamt of. In his dream, this pink dolphin came to rescue Morgan because it sea Morgans are their friends. Baya said hi to the pink dolphin. The pink dolphin looked at Baya and said, "Now the 100-year cycle had finished. It is the time that the master of the sea, who had been imprisoned for a century, will be released. When he is out, all the water will flow back into his hollow, and the sea would eventually run dry. When you see that, be aware, because when he gets back to his hollow, the water would come out and turn into 7 gigantic waves which may take your lives." Baya believed in those words and hurried towards the island to tell other villagers. He ran to the center of the island and told what he has just heard to other villagers so they can find a way to escape from the approaching waves. They were all frightened, terrified, and scared. Dread encounters. Dark clouds overshadowed the sky. Grey mist darkened the whole island. The first huge wave appeared and was approaching the village at a very fast rate. There was a roar of the sea master, the scream of waves and winds. Suddenly, the enormous wave crushed the village. The raging waves smashed on the shore. The first wave hit the Morgan. They were scattered in all directions. Some went east and some went west. At the same time, Baya and his friends ran to the other side of the island. They saw a big tree. They climbed up, aiming for the top of the tree. They climbed as high as they could. Massive waves angrily enraged on the shore for 7 times. The entire island and mountain were shaking with tension caused. Giant waves devastated their homes and boats. Everything on shore vanished. The sun gradually rose. The light was shining gently on the beach. The shimmering sand glistened the whole island. The sea was softly calming down, and everything went back to normal, tranquil and beautiful. Morgan people looked at each other, delighted that at least they all survived. Brothers, sisters, children, friends, families, and the sea, as a sign to join hands and start their new lives together. In 2004, all Morgan survived from the tsunami because of their beliefs about the old folktale, which known as the Seven Waves. Their survival put the Morgan on spotlight. Various aids flew in and have resulted in their better living. Morgan are named by the royal as ประมงกิจ หานทะเล and Klatalay, meaning the brave seamen. They become Thai citizens completely. They have Thai national identity card. They sing Thai national anthem. They speak Thai, and they are proud to be Thai. The most important thing is they are grateful of one man who gave them his land, so they do not have to wander and face the difficulties in the sea. Morgan did not know him before, but now that man is in all Morgan hearts. There is a picture of him in every single house. Morgan loved him from the bottom of the brave heart.